Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my next update for my project pan. And this is a 5 project pan, so it's basically rolling. I have 5 products, so whenever something is done or I hit my usage goal on, I go ahead and switch it out with a new product. I do have a playlist for this project pan, which is always linked down below in the description box. So let's just get right into it. If you want to see the progress on the 5 products for this round, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like looks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you can like the video, if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. If you're wondering about this makeup look, I just filmed a video using the new Bella Cosmetics Wild Behavior collection. So it did come with this eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, some eyeliner, some lip products. So if you want to see that video, and if it's already up, of course it's going to be on the screen and down below. But yeah, this is amazing. I think it's coming next week actually. But yeah, this is such a beautiful palette, so that's going to be really exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see that video. All right, so let's go into our first product, which is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. So I did use this a total of 11 times. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like last month and any progress photos that I have. And I'm going to show you guys what we have now. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking my contour brush. It's already looking a little dirty, so I do need to clean it, but I just go ahead and stamp into the product and kind of stamp it on the face. You guys have seen this on my Instagram reels, on YouTube. I'm always using this product. I try to incorporate this palette into a lot of looks just so I can kind of like get use out of it, obviously, and try to use it up. I don't see any progress right now. I am dipping into both of the contour shades, but yeah, slow, but hopefully soon we can see some progress on this product. It's a little discouraging. I feel like it went really quickly with the lighter shade because I was using more of it, but with these deeper tones, it's so it's just more pigmented, and of course it's deeper, that I don't really need a lot of product, which is why I feel like it's moving really slow. I'm gonna give you guys some swatches of these products. There's the 2 shades that I'm trying to use up. Basically hit pan on them, use them up, I don't know, because they're honestly just sitting in my collection. So hopefully I can hit some kind of progress for the next month. Honestly, I was really tempted to skip this month because there was a time where I wasn't wearing makeup for a while. It was like 2 weeks. So it was 2 weeks of these products not being touched. Unfortunately, I was going through a lip malfunction. Something was going on with my lips. But yeah, so that's really sad. I don't really see any progress in this product, but we'll see in upcoming updates and stuff. But yeah, this one's definitely going to be a long kind of project for me using this product up. Next we have the YL Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this one's in the shade 23. I don't know if YL Cosmetics is still making makeup, but I did win this in a giveaway a couple years ago, and it's such a beautiful shade. I have been using it quite a lot. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I used it 6 times, and it's just the most beautiful peachy kind of nude moment. So I have really been enjoying using this lip. So pretty, but again, 2 weeks of not using any of these products. That's why the usage number is quite small, but this is such a beautiful shade. Definitely can't wait to keep using it and show you guys some more progress. But honestly, there is no type of, like, you just can't tell that I've been using it. But again, 6 times I think is okay. Next we have the Romantic Beauty Ink Dip Liner. I did force myself to use this 4 times, and I don't know, it's just getting a little more difficult because the actual like dispenser, the liner part, is getting a little dry. But I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of this formula. It is pretty black. It goes on semi nicely. It's a little difficult to get that perfect wing with this applicator. But I feel like I am making great progress on this product. It's getting a little harder to use. The product on the inside is getting a little dry, but also I've been using it more often than usual. So 4 times for me is quite a lot with this product, because I do have to kind of force myself to use it since I have other liners that I like a lot more than this product. But yeah, 4 times I think is okay. So this one, I feel like it's almost out of here. I think it might last me 2 more updates, if that. I think the product that has the most uses and the most like, you can tell that I've been using it. You can tell that's almost out of here, there has been some movement, is the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight, which I did use a total of 12 times. So let me show you guys a picture of what it looked like last month. And this is how it's looking now. As you can see, we do have pan. The pan has expanded, and I've been using this fan brush. Let me show you guys which one I'm talking about. It's this one. I believe this one's from Eco Tools. Yes, so I have been using this for cream highlights, and I think it's working great with this product here. It grabs just enough product for me to throw underneath my powders. It's a beautiful highlight. It is getting just a little crumbly, but this is such a beautiful color, especially for, again, underneath my powders. It's so stunning. So that's the way I've been using it, as a cream highlight moment, and it's so beautiful. So this is definitely the only product you can definitely tell a huge difference in. I feel like, I don't know, I'm gonna compare it to the picture. I haven't looked at it in a while, but to me right now the pan is getting a lot bigger, and I'm super excited about that. I'm really tempted to get their 8-year anniversary highlight with the 8 on it. It looks so cute, but I definitely want to finish this up before I purchase anything else from their like Super Shock line. Next we have the Italia Deluxe liquid shadow in the shade Nude in Ibiza. This one here I used a total of 3 times. I really love this shadow. However, I don't want all my looks to look the same, but I can tell the product on the inside is getting just a little chunky. Still a beautiful shadow, but I don't know what it is. I just haven't been reaching it for it this update. But it's so stunning, super reflective and beautiful. So I definitely have to start getting on this product again before it dries out on me. But look at that, it's so stunning. And I did already purchase a pinky one in this formula, and it's so beautiful. This formula is stunning. And again, I just tap it on with my finger on the lid, and it just looks so nice. So I definitely could have used it today to tap over top this shadow, but yeah, this is so stunning. Again, I only got 3 uses out of it. I didn't put makeup on for those 2 weeks, so I definitely missed out on this shadow for those days, but it's really pretty. Definitely a great formula, so I'm really excited to keep using this for next update. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this feed today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from jokes on a high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.